How to fix Koho app not working. In order to fix this issue, let's get started with the video. Start by moving into your app store on your device. In the source bar, you need to search for Koho and then move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing the issue. So simply click on update and update your app to the latest version. Once you've got the latest version, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. In this page, you need to search for the application Koho. Or you can search for it and then move into it. Tap on offload app and then once again click on offload app. Offloading app will clear all of the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. So this might also fix the issue that you have been facing on this app. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.